What is up, everybody? Back at it again. We're gonna be working on the Z today. We got a lot of stuff done. We got like the headlights and a bunch of other stuff done on it, but we gotta finish out the corner light, or what do we gotta do? The turn signals.
Turn signals.
It's been a long time since we worked on this thing, so we're just gonna go through it, figure out
O2.
Yeah, O2. We gotta figure out what we need to do, and then we'll just walk you through what we've done, what we need to do, and we're gonna get moving on this thing. So let's get it. All right, so it's been a while since we've worked on this thing. So let's just go through a systems check. Let's check out the headlights. Let's see what all works on it, and then we'll go from there. As you can see, it doesn't look very pretty in there.
Fuck.
So let's do running lights. Let's do headlights. Brights?
It's falling back on this thing, but it's not doing anything.
What the heck? All right, we don't have brights yet, and probably need to wire that in, to be honest. Fog lights?
They're busted.
All right, we gotta figure out what's going on with those. All right, well, let's go to the back. All right, running lights are on. Brake lights. Brake lights are working. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna have to wire the turn signals. We'll get those squared away, and then we'll have to figure out why the brights don't work. Check the heater. Sick. Heater good? Cool. All right, if you guys didn't remember last time, we put a painless harness in here for the turn signals and the brake light switch and the tail lights and the running lights. These two wires are the left and right turn signals. So what we have to do is extend these wires, run them along, zip tie them in this loom, and then right here you got the left, you got the right, and then you got the brights wire. So we have to tie all these in, and then we'll have turn signals.
All those fumes right up into the fucking nose.
Oh yeah. Look at that. What a beauty. All right, that's one of them. Now let's do the other one. You twist them around like this. You put them like that, and you twist them around each other so they have a stronger mechanical connection. So when you solder it, if the solder sucks, you still have some sort of integrity there. All right, boom, soldered, good. Slide this over, just like so. No bullshit. Fucking light it up, baby.
Seemed like there's a lot of bullshit.
Let's go.
That took
Wires.
3 minutes and 21 seconds.
All right, we're gonna put these on here. We're gonna zip tie them, and we're gonna solder them.
Oh.
All right. We just cleaned up a bunch of the wires. We have these are the two wires, but we don't know which of these two blue wires we sent are the left and the right. So what we're gonna do is we are gonna test them. All right, so I'm gonna first just twist this one around and see.
We got shit.
All right, after a bunch of random fucking around, we finally figured it out. If you click it now, we got brights. All right, we did a substantial amount of wiring and arranging wires. So as you can see, it's way more cleaned up in here. We're gonna test out the lights. All right, low beams. Okay, brights. Got it. Blinker. Yep. Other side. Yep. Let's do the back. Yep. Yes, sir. Now brakes. Heck yeah, dude. For the first time ever, this car has all of its electrical.
First time, at least in like however many fucking 30 years or something.
We got the seat warmers. We got all the heater works, the wipers work, the stereo. Try to hit the underglow and see if it works. The battery might be too dead, but oh, there it is. There it is. Underglow works too.
Wow. sick.
I wonder if we have enough juice in the battery to start it.
I doubt it.
Did you turn the ECU on? Yeah, it's on. Alright. There it is.
It just needed a sec.
She had a little air in the lines.
I had to think about
We gotta find what that rattle is. It's the grill. All right, when the grill's not rattling, it sounds awesome.
Hell yeah.
God damn.
Almost there. Almost.
Look how it's so quiet.
I know.
It's crazy.
Weird.
It's cold-blooded. It's gonna have to warm up. Also, we had Danny come over, Danzig. I'll plug his channel in the description. He came over and helped us tune the ITBs. So they're all synced together. So this thing, once we have the O2 ready to go, we'll be able to actually start tuning this thing. We actually drove it the other day over to the house and washed the car and drove it back, and it actually did pretty good.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, this thing's really close to being on the road. It's kind of surreal.
Said that before.
Yeah, but this time we meet it.
He's a tune.
Yeah. She's idling low.
Yeah.
All right. Yeah.
The gas. Oh god.
Oh, look who it is.
Oh god.
Do you hear it? It runs so good now for not being tuned.
Smell all that fuel.
Oh yeah. Everybody just remember what's over there. It still exists. And so does that. That exists too.
Don't lie to him. I don't exist.
Yeah, dude. This is the first time Sage has been at the shop in like 3 months. Back at it again. Day 2 of this episode. We're back out here. Casey's working on a Z32. What are we doing?
I'm taking the clutch fan off because it's a piece of shit. Just like me.
Valid.
My feelings.
Yeah, we're converting this car to electric fan because the clutch fan is super fucking loud. It's got cracks all over it.
Look at it. It looks. We fixed this with epoxy, but it looks like shit.
We epoxied it so it'd last long enough for the E-fans to get here. So yeah, we're gonna put E-fans on this. I don't know if we've ever posted this on the channel, but Casey has a right-hand drive JDM imported Z32 that's his daily, and sometimes we have to work on it.
It's not a reliable daily. I will tell you that. Just after we got done dealing with all the cooling issues with the CRV,
Yeah.
we're back at it again with the bullshit.
Yeah.
God damn it.
So yeah, we're gonna be throwing some E-fans on this before we start cracking into the 280. But
Yeah.
yeah, we got a lot of stuff to do today.
It's once again like an eighth of a turn at a time. I hate this shit. That's fucking bullshit.
Go on.
Everything is shit.
Well, we're on a very positive note today.
I'm just kidding.
Casey had spent all yesterday bending over this car fixing a coolant line that broke in the back.
One coolant line
Yep.
all day.
Yeah. But yeah, let's. I'm gonna walk around this.
Oh.
The Z car. I don't know if you guys. I could have posted this on the channel already. I can't remember. It's been a long time. Obviously, we don't upload a lot. So, but yeah, here's the interior of it. It looks pretty dope. These cars are still relatively cheap, and it's an awesome car. So if you guys are wanting to get into the JDM car space, this is a really good car to start off with.
really teaches you how to fucking shove your hand in tight ass spaces.
Yeah, Casey's only real wish and dream is that he had smaller hands.
I know. If my hands were like half this size, this would be fine.
Then also, we got a new car here, and that is another, you guys have guessed it, another 280Z. Sage's little brother just got his license last year and decided he wanted to get into the car game. So yeah, this thing's pretty clean. He's been working on it already. Pretty clean interior. And yeah, so he's been doing a bunch of stuff on it. It's pretty exciting that his first car that he's going to be learning how to work on and stuff is a Z, which we have an insane amount of parts in there. So anything that he needs, we probably have. Case is still working on that bottom bolt there. And I'm going to show you guys what we got here. This is the fan kit. It's one of those universal fan kits that basically has its own relay, and it plugs into the battery and works independent from the rest of the car. So this will turn on when the car's not on to prevent heat soaking. So that's a little thermo probe that goes through the radiator. And then your standard E-fan, courtesy of Jeff Bezos. So yeah, we're gonna put all this together, E-fan this bitch up. All right, she's running. We got the fan on there. It's wired to the thermo switch. It's discreetly ran through here to this little fuse that goes to the battery. Now we're waiting for it to get up to temp, so hopefully it turns on. Let's hope so. But this thing sounds so much quieter than it used to. Still temperature. All right, the fan is clicking on. It works. How do you feel?
Good. Car feels a little quicker, a little peppier.
Yeah, it has
a little more pep in
little
its
pep
step.
to it. Sounds so good, dude.
Sick.
He's trying to pop shove at a frickin' cinder block. Oh,
Three
whoa. Sick. What skill. Anyway, that's a wrap. We got some stuff done on the Z. We got some stuff done on the other Z. Aaron burnt boxes all day. Yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Check out this manual.
Oh, what?
You're gonna break the cinder block.